Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Otter.ai to LinkedIn for meeting to post summaries, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Otter.ai website. Log into your Otter.ai account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations option. Select Integrations to explore available connection options. Scroll down to find the LinkedIn integration. Click on the Connect button next to the LinkedIn option. You will be redirected to a LinkedIn login page if you're not already logged in. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and log in. Upon successful login, you may be prompted to authorize Otter.ai to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions required by Otter.ai. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, return to your Otter.ai dashboard. Schedule or start a meeting as usual. After the meeting, Otter.ai will generate a summary. This summary can then be shared directly to your LinkedIn profile. To share, navigate to the summary of your meeting. Click on the Share button. Choose the LinkedIn option to post your summary. Add any additional comments or insights you wish to include with your post. Finally, click Post to share the summary on LinkedIn. Now, your meeting insights are available for your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.